Alright, what is up, guys? You remember our winning Valkyrie that we've done, like...
Recently, very recently, like an hour ago.
Okay, now we're doing Zet Achilles.
Zet
He
Achilles.
looks really cool. I don't know why they have a brand new main character. It's pretty cool. Oh, he looked pretty cool. What was his name? Aigo?
Aigo.
A-I-G-O. Like, it's really weird.
Aigo.
Okay, anyway, let's get to the unboxing.
So, yeah.
As you can see, I'm just holding this.
It was actually...
Oh, I didn't notice that. Okay.
Yeah, my brother already opened it.
Yeah. Well, I just couldn't resist it.
Yeah.
Okay,
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Nice!
Okay, here it is. Here, let's take out here's the 3 parts. Let's take out no, let's go from smallest to largest.
People say this driver can change modes, so...
Yeah, it's true.
And also, guys, our Spriggan Requiem unboxing will be coming pretty soon. Maybe a couple days or so, so, yeah. Oh, I hate that. It was so...
Come on.
Alright, guys, give me my brother...
No, wait, hold on. I think
Oh, my brother maybe got it? Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to do it.
No. 4, 3, 4. Oh, wait, hold on.
You have to use the scissors, dude.
No.
I can rip that apart.
Okay. No. No, this is my bay. No, this is my bay. I'm gonna do it. This is my bay. Okay, you know, yeah, just.
Alright, so guys.
Okay, here's the new driver. Like, I don't know why it's a driver. Well, like, it sort of makes sense. Like, all it really does is just pop up, twist. It doesn't, like, go into attack weapons or stamina. Well, okay, never mind. Let's just get to the disc now. Oh, boy. You don't know how long I've been waiting for this bay. Okay, how about this? If you can guess how long I've been waiting for this bay, for in the description, well, I don't know. Just never mind. Anyways, here it is, the 11 core disc. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Lastly, let's get the layer out. The main part of the bay. Here it is, guys. The layer. Zet Achilles. Yeah, whatever. It's so good. Finally. Okay, let's put this beast together. Okay, like... Here we are. Zet Achilles.
And now, guys, that bay looks insane.
Okay, let's
and we got the stupid proto launcher. We don't need the stupid proto launcher.
Everyone, I want you to comment down below about how bad the proto launcher is.
I mean, I don't care if you say if it's bad, good. You guys can just say so. It's like, why is the proto launcher good to you or not? You don't have to explain why, but if you want to, you can. So, yeah.
To us, it's bad. Anyways, here...
Because the bay is bigger than the launcher itself.
I know that's the thing that I don't like. Anyways, here is the proto launcher and the ripcord. Place it in.
So guys, we're gonna be doing a test launch.
Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna get to our stadium, and yeah, we're gonna be getting a new stadium really soon.
Okay.
This sucks. Sorry, stadium. How could this happen to me?
All right, Zet Achilles. Ready, guys? You want to count down with me? Okay. Ready, set. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip.
Awesome.
There we go, guys.
I
Zet
hope
Achilles.
you enjoyed this video. And yeah, that's the best of us.